This is the Shark Hyper Air hair dryer. The model number is HD120 31. It was a hell to take it apart, but I managed to do it. And I'm just going to share it and show you how I got to it. So as you can see, this piece right here, which is the bottom piece, there is no screw or anything. I had to somehow by force snap it off. After that, there is two screws, as you can see the spot there. I unscrewed that, and by force, this part here has no screw or anything. I had to use some kind of a plier. Do not use any knife or anything, or you will cut your fingers like I did. Okay, so don't use a knife, just something like a flat screwdriver or something. And then after that, this part that kind of goes in the back of the handle, as you can see, it just snaps off. You just have to gently play with it and snap it off. Okay, and then when you do that, it allows you to get to screwdriver. What is it? I will show you as I go back putting it together. And these are the pieces that I got off. And normally when you get that piece off right there, you access to these right here. Okay, and as you can see, one side of it has two screws on each side. You just unscrew these and it'll come off. And this one here, it will come off also very easily, but you have to be patient and calm. And there is a switch that's located right here, and if I can show you, it's right here. You see this little screw goes there and the screw goes there. Unscrew those and the switch will come off, and you can take this whole thing off. This is where the little screw goes on. Okay, anyway, I am gonna put this back together one by one, and you can watch it as I go reverse, and then from there go back if you need to know how to disable the whole system. All right, disassemble, I should say, not disable. Disassemble it. Anyway, our problem was that this was cutting off, and I just needed to check and see if there's anything loose. It was nothing but a lot of hair in there, and I cleaned it up. Okay,